What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a very quick tutorial on the song. So I just gonna go super fast, even though it's a rap song, so there's not much guitar parts to play as usual. So as it's just gonna be a bit fast, make sure to subscribe, because if you check my channel you can actually understand how much hard I work. So let's get started. Have a look at the chords. We just need the key is in E minor, and so is the melody which goes in the song based on the E minor. So have a look at the first chord, which is the E minor 0 2 2 0 0 0. Next chord is the G major, which is 3 2 open 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 3. C major mute 3 2 0 1 0. Then a D major mute mute open second third second. I went a bit fast, but you can obviously pause the video, have a look at the chords, and then just play along with me. And now no capo sharp tuning, which makes it super easy, and on the other hand all are open chords. Now let's have a look at this small riff we have. Have a look at the tab. So I play 9 fret on the G string, 8 fret on the B string, 7 fret on the B string, 7 fret on the G string. I repeat these totals thrice. So I play that 3 times. So we got one more time, last time, and then instead of playing 9 fret on the G string, I'm just gonna play this is basically 10 fret on the B string, then 8 fret on the B string, 7 fret on the B string, 7 fret on the G string. That's it. And make sure when you pick, you always go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Follow the alternate picking strictly. So let's play that for a couple of times till then it's crystal clear for you guys. That's it basically. Now firstly have a look at the E minor. Just hold the E minor chord and you do 2 down stroke. So we have 2 down stroke, but in between those down I'm just keeping my hand on the string to get the sound of the chord muted. So we got with the hand we're just keeping it on the string. Sing down mute, down mute. And that goes on, and when you just move on to like in the middle of the song, you're just gonna add some more chords in it to build up with the dynamic. So we got E minor, down, down, that's it. Now the chord progression, when you just want to move further, it will be E minor, then a G, then a C, then a D, and it's just gonna repeat the same string pattern throughout the whole song. Down mute, down mute, down mute, down mute, down mute, down mute, down, down mute, down mute, down mute, down mute, down mute, down mute. That's almost everything for this lesson, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.